So Ragtag Resilience is our business here in Bartlesville, Oklahoma, and we have our little 13th of an acre normal suburban plot, but we're growing most of our own food as far as seasonal produce and what we can preserve, and more than enough. So we're taking that extra to farmers market to share. And then I'm also doing allergy-friendly baked goods, so muffins and bars and cookies and granola and things that are all dairy, gluten, soy, and tree nut, including coconut and peanut as well, free. So just allergy-friendly and all-inclusive. Our oldest son has food allergies, and so it's really important for us that he can have something that everybody else can have, but everybody else can enjoy it too. So we've been doing that for farmers market now for about 2.5 months, and it's gone really good. We've been so blessed by the support in the community, and we've even been able to provide some baked goods for the production of Killers of the Flower Moon here and around Osage County and within Bartlesville, and that's been an amazing opportunity. So our goals are really around just living a permaculture lifestyle that is resilient, able to adapt to change, especially after COVID and things like that, where we're using everything we have and we're using it well, that we're committed to having compostable and recycled materials as far as any of our packaging. We have reusable tote bags just to really encourage that cultural shift and things. We do stuff like that at farmers market because we really believe it makes a difference. And those are values that we really want to pass on to our kids and just commit to as people, as good stewards. And some of the values of permaculture are earth care, people care, and fair share. And so we want to make sure that we're doing that in everything, both from the farmers market business end to how we garden and recycle stuff as a family. And so we got this bus just at the beginning of farmers market. So her name is Sunny, and I picked her up in San Antonio, Texas, and she spent a month in the shop getting the engine worked on, but well worth it. So we take her to farmers market and on special deliveries, and of course family stuff. So we just want to share with our community and other people that are like-minded or maybe just interested in on how to live a little different, and do something. Something my husband says is that we can't do everything. Even if we can't do everything, everybody can do something. And so that's something that we really believe. And so whether it's a small garden or a big one, everybody growing a little more of their own food or learning how to glean and forage or barter, skills or time or goods, all of those things just make us more resilient, not just individually, but as families and as communities and even as a whole, just people. And so we want to be able to encourage others that are just willing to think outside the box and wonder, what if I lived like this, what would happen and how good it could be. And so anyway, so we probably won't have a ton of content because we aren't educators or we don't know it all, but we're learning, and we love learning about permaculture and stewardship and conservation and how to eat well and live well. And so we just hope other people that want to grow along with us can find help with answering really simple questions, but also being able to redirect people to helpful information. So we have a website for our business, Ragtag Resilience, and in there you can see more about our story, from everything from our son's food allergies that kind of set us on this journey 11 years ago, and also about gleaning and foraging and things we really practiced in Oregon, but we're continuing to do here as much as we can. But so if you go to our website, you can see more about our story, and there's a resources link. And so if you're interested in gleaning in your state or community, there's actually a national database for that. and it's amazing. Or if you're interested in reference material for permaculture living and foraging, there's links for that. So rather than trying to pretend like we know everything, we just want to learn and keep learning and then share that with other people so that it's a lot easier getting started.